How to change notification sound on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then, once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the sound and haptics option available there. Under sound and haptics pattern, choose the type of alert you want to change. Ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, eardrop, any according to your preferences. You will get to see a various options available there. Scroll and tap on according to your preferences and change it. So that is it. This is how easy it is. You can simply tap on the tone store as well to download more tones if the available iPhone's tone are not your type or your preferences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.